Hi guys, today we are going to open my toys, and it's so pretty, like, you know. But this isn't probably scaring my brother, but you know, this isn't. A bad dog challenge we're gonna open. Pizza bad dog. Pizza doctor set, rating bed, rating back, Fairbairn Toey from the eyes. And Toey got my baby brother Toey is pranked me, and I don't know about this, so let's open now.
You open the bad dog first.
Okay. So let's open the bad dog first. A piece of card. A piece of bad dog. A piece of lot of card. A piece of bones. A piece of slippers.
Tweezer.
A piece of scissors.
Tweezer.
A slip up. A slip up tweezers. And we're also gonna open the Dr. Set ranging milk. So let's open them.